Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec. Markets on Monday the 8th of April. Let's have a look at cable, which continues to trade within these converging trend lines, that 4-month uptrend and the 4-week downtrend. You've got higher lows linking over the last 4 months, but interesting that 130 big figure level counted this morning at basically 10 separate occasions we've seen that level tested on a daily basis, and it's held, and that continued again on Friday with a 129.85 level intraday, but then bounced instantly and is now sort of 80 odd pips above that. But you look at here, the momentum indicators, they are falling away. They are testing this key medium term level basically around 40, where since this recovery has been underway, 40 on the daily RSI has not been breached. If that were to be breached, I think that would be a real trigger signal that would suggest we are coming to more of a corrective phase. I think 130 big figure obviously is the key floor. If you see that on a closing basis, again, we could see that under pressure. Momentum indicators near term MACD falling close to below zero, close to below neutral now. Stochastics have just turned over again. So the fact that we are getting these rallies that fall over at lower levels, and it is really looking as though that today's move needs to now find some traction. I think the Brexit process needs a bit of good news, needs a suggestion that there is going to be some sustainable move that the UK government can take forward. But at the moment you are still looking uncertain, and that is how and why we are trading around that 130 big figure level. And I think breaching 130 figure level would be an indication of the market suggesting that Brexit is sort of turning sour again and looking under pressure to have a harder or less favourable Brexit in due course. So what we have is 130 big figure. If you breach that to the downside, effectively I think it would then open 127 to 128. 127 is an old pivot, and then 128 area, I suppose 128.15 is an old breakout level, but effectively became this pivot area. So 127, 128 I think is where we'd see that market back into if 130 figure were to be decisively broken. So I wish you good luck in trading today, and I'll speak to you later.